let's get in what dealing rooms are recommending in the session today. Because it's that time of the show wherein Soumit Sarkar opens up his portly pitara can, whatever you call it. I was getting bored with the word pitara, so I thought I should think of something new. But anyway, Soumit, good afternoon. What are you learning?
And multiple stocks, in fact, a lot of stocks that are in focus today. Firstly, it's UPL, and dealers are indicating that, in fact, they're saying that multiple dealing rooms are saying this. They're recommending buy calls for UPL. They're asking their clients or advising their clients to buy UPL at this current levels and continue to hold the counter till the second quarter numbers. They're expecting a strong turnaround here for UPL. Multiple stocks, Kalyan Jewellers, Tata Steel and Godrej Properties, where dealers are indicating that the selling pressure is likely to get over soon for these counters, so keep an eye out for them. For precious estates, there are buy flows at lower levels and expectations of an announcement that could come in from the company side related to the demerger of the hotel business. For Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy and Glenmark, there are buy flows today in entire pharma space. But for these three counters specifically, dealers are saying that a prominent FII has been a buyer into all these three counters in trade today. For GAIL, there are buy flows on large HNI desk on potential two triggers that are expected to come in or expected to play over the next couple of weeks. Firstly is a tariff hike, and the second one is a turnaround in the petrochemical business. For Fino Payments Bank, that stock has been buzzing in trade on anticipation of small finance bank license coming in soon for Fino Payment. And when it comes to PI Industries, there are buy flows on HNI desk on expectation of some positive news flow that is expected to come in. In fact, even if you look at the chart of PI Industries, that stock has perked up in trade in the last half an hour of trade. And lastly, when it comes to Electra, there's a buzz of a potential new order win that could come in from Maharashtra government. Actually, earlier this order was cancelled, but again, this order could come in for Electra is what the dealing rooms are indicating for this counter.
Mighty big pitara here today. Sorry, that got. I thought it's not getting over.
We love it, by the way. You want to continue?
No.
Thinking of taking a snooze in the middle of this show.
Okay.
But can't afford to, right? When Soumit talks stocks.
You can't. I mean, you shouldn't ideally. But Soumit, anything that dealing rooms are talking about this whole GST rationalization now that the GOM has also accepted it?
Well, they're still waiting for the final details to come in. Like even for auto, we know that yes, there would be GST cut for some or the other segment. But then in that also final details are required for what CC engines are actually these rates getting cut. So they are still awaiting, but obviously the stocks have reacted to that.
So just the thought here, and I think we need to explore this for M&M, right? EV models were anyways at a low rate of
yeah,
GST.
so there is no GST cut coming in for EV. Also, we need to see whether this GST rate is coming, cut is coming only for engines which are below 1.2 litre CC. So that would be important to track.
I think very important to track. So something that we'll keep an eye out for. Okay.